All right, welcome back, everybody. Well, clouds are kind of streaming in from the south and west, and they are starting to kind of fizzle out as they do. So we got a lot of sunshine to deal with for today, and these are just some upper-level clouds that are going to be ahead of our next system that'll be moving in Tuesday into Wednesday with our next shot of couple of showers, so we're going to be watching that very closely. Low 80s for this afternoon. We'll have that little bit of a cloud mix, kind of a milkiness to the sky, but otherwise we will be fairly sunny, and that will be the case until tomorrow. We'll see a little bit more cloud cover as that wave moves in a little bit closer. And, you know, speaking of rain, the dry conditions, we certainly need the rain given how dry we've been. We are in levels of severe drought, even extreme drought across much of the area. So again, we're going to be watching this next chance of rain to really kind of help us out here. But in the meantime, got that next chance of rain. And we also have some dry conditions in the meantime after that for the next couple of days until we get to Friday and Saturday. Mainly Saturday is when we're going to be watching this next big wave. This is a pretty deep wave that could even bring us the chance for maybe a couple rumbles of thunder as well. So we are going to be watching that very closely. Some heavy rain certainly not out of the question. So again, we'll keep you posted on that. Upper 70s and low 80s for this afternoon. South wind holding on. We'll see a little bit more cloud cover as temperatures settle down into the 60s for the overnight. We'll be up into the 70s once again for the afternoon. We'll still have lots of cloud cover through your Tuesday. Then here comes the rain early Wednesday. We're talking around the 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. time frame for it to actually arrive, and then should be out of here by the time we get to around 9 o'clock in the morning. And the rest of the day looks fantastic. Look at all the clear skies, or mostly clear, I should say. Temperatures in the low 70s. Have a couple of clouds, but we'll see a lot more sunshine for the second half of your Wednesday. So if you have any outdoor plans, get out and enjoy whatever you're going to be doing outdoors for Wednesday afternoon. You're going to be in pretty good shape. Here's extended future skycast showing that next round of rain heading in for the area for this weekend. Again, it could be pretty strong in some spots. It's a pretty potent wave, so I do expect some heavy rainfall out of this. And again, here's the next 7 days as we total up the entire 7-day forecast when it comes to the rain. We are talking about amounts up to about 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain locally from this system. Now, this is going to be easily tweaked over the next few days as we continue to get new data, but we are certainly in a drought. We definitely do need the rain, so something like this will definitely really help as we move into this weekend. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. So minor rain chances in the near term here. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s, 82 for today. It's going to be gorgeous. 78 this time when clouds move in a little bit for Tuesday. It'll be kind of a gloomy day, but as we go into Wednesday, have a couple of showers to kind of work with. And then Thursday and Friday look to be in pretty good shape, mostly sunny, then turning into cloudy ahead of our next system on Saturday. And I would say any outdoor plans on Saturday should be moved to Sunday. Temperatures will be overall cooler, though, in the middle to upper 60s.